This week we are going to focus our grammar on irregular past tense verbs. But first, let's review. What is a past tense verb? Whisper to someone at home what a past tense verb is and share some examples of past tense verbs. Let's review. Most verbs are made into past tense by adding what? Most verbs are made into past tense by adding the letters ed. However, not every verb knows how to follow the rules, and these verbs are called irregular past tense verbs. To make an irregular verb past tense, you have to change the spelling. You can't just add ed. For example, eat becomes ate. Here are some more examples of irregular past tense verbs. Sing becomes sang. Do becomes did. Ride becomes rode. Draw becomes drew. And win becomes won. When you are trying to figure out the correct past tense, try putting the verb in a past tense sentence to see what sounds right. Yesterday we, last year I, when he was 3 he. Now you try. The verb make, to put it into irregular past tense, it becomes made, M-A-D-E. Write becomes, well, let's try that. Today I write a story. Yesterday I wrote a story. W-R-O-T-E. Drink. What does drink become? Last night I drank a glass of milk with supper. So drink becomes drank. I drink milk with supper. Last night I drank milk with supper. Why do we call these verbs irregular? Hint, IR, the suffix IR means not, which means that these verbs are not regular, which means we don't make them the regular way by adding ed. They are irregular past tense verbs because in order to make the present tense verb show past tense, we have to change the entire spelling of the word. We can't just add ed.